Hello guys, today we're gonna make a video on key how to repair a key on Toyota Corolla. I've made a video before as well. I thought I'd make another one to explain it better. So in this case, we got a key here which is completely broken. I'll bring the camera closer. As you can see, the key is all cracked here. Okay. So, I mean, instead of taking it to dealer, he's gonna charge me too much money to get it fixed. So what I've done is I've ordered this shell from eBay. This shell. So what happens is, as I mentioned it before in my video, the you take the old key out, the broken key. So you just take the old key out like this, and I'm gonna just like that. You just break the plastic off, just break it off like this, and just simple as that. So in this case, let me take the screw out. The screw is there, so just gonna take the screw out off. You can bring the camera closer and have a look. So in this case, I'm just gonna take the screw out, just gonna drive the screw out, and there you go. So I'm just taking the screw out. So basically that's how you do it. So this is the blade. So what you can do is you can slide it into this here like that, just like that, and then this is one option. So I mean, this is the cheapest option for you. So what you do is you buy a shell. I'll bring the camera closer a bit. Okay, so what you do is you buy a shell, okay, with the keypad, yeah, and in this shell you get this thing here. So basically I show you the complete key. I've already fixed one here. Okay, so you basically you just transfer this blade from the old key here like this, and that sits here like this. Okay, and then you just do it that way. That's one option. And the other option is to buy a key, a blank key. I'll just show you. The other option is this is the harder way to do it. So basically in this procedure, what you do is I'll just show you what, I'll explain it in more details. What you do is you just transfer the old mechanism into the key here, okay, and then you'll have to take it to the locksmith to get it cut, which is going to be another couple of pounds to pay on top. Some locksmith, you'll have to go to the one who does the car keys, and it's going to be £10 to get it cut. In my case, I'm not using this key, this key with the blank blade. In my case, what I'm gonna do is see if you can see the difference. This is one option, and the other option is this one. See this plastic here that holds the blade nicely. As I just gonna make a video on that now. Just gonna show you how I gonna do it. Okay. So all I gonna do in this case is I gonna transfer all the mechanism from the old key fob to the new shell. Okay, that's one option. And just one second. And so that's how you do it basically. Okay guys, that's how you do that one. And so basically I mentioned it before as well, I just gonna use this plastic piece here to slide the key blade, the existing key blade here like that, and that sits here nicely, okay, like this. Okay, and then that's the back cover. Okay guys, so that's how it goes. And in order to, as you can see, this one, that's how you do it. So I'm just gonna secure blade with the, at the moment the blade is moving a bit. So in order to secure the blade, I'm just gonna put the screw in, drive the screw back in. So this is the cheaper way to do it. Again, you can get these, whichever way you want to choose it. You could buy a blank blade and get it cut. Yeah, that's one option. But in my case, the cheapest option, I would go for the cheapest option, because you can just get the casing from eBay for round about £3, £4, and you just use the existing blade and do it that way. So I thought I'd make a video on it to explain it in a better way. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the screw back in, just like that one here, and there you go, guys. So there you go, as simple as that. So this is I've already done one key, and now I've just done the second one as well, because when I bought the car, the keys were broken and it doesn't sound nice, doesn't look nice, so therefore I thought I'd better do a video on that. As you can see, that one, when you press the button, that works, and lock and unlock works on it. Again, on this one as well, lock and unlock, they both work on it. That's the most cheapest and cost effective way of doing the keys. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Keep watching my videos, and make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.